I've been over Snowdon, I've slept up on Crowden, I've camped by the Wainstones as well. I've sunbathed on Kinder, been burned to a cinder, and many more things I can tell. My rucksack has oft been my pillow, the heather has oft been my bed, and sooner than part from the mountains, I think I would rather be dead. I'm a rambler from Manchester way. I get all me pleasure the Hartmoreland way. I may be a wage slave on Monday, but I am a free man on Sunday. The day was just ending and I was descending down Grindsbrook just by Upper Tor, when a voice cried, "Hey you!" in the way keepers do. He'd the worst face that ever I saw. The things that he said were unpleasant. In the teeth of his fury I said, "Sooner than part from the mountains, I think I would rather be dead." I'm a rambler from Manchester way.
He jumped on my phone, did you see that?
The Hardmoreland way. I may be a wage slave on Monday, but I am a free man on Sunday. He called me a louse and said, "Think of the grouse." Well, I thought, but I still couldn't see.